darling named Glendora. Well, she works in the window of the great department store. Well, her eyes are blue, hair like gold. Never been young, but you never get old. Oh, Glendora, I want to see more of you. Well, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, I want to see more of you. Well, she's so shy that I don't know how I found her. Well, the great big bites get always working around her. Well, once is not due to scream. She got a mouth full of safety pins. Oh, Glendora, I want to see more of you. Well, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, I want to see more of you. Yeah! Late last night at the store they did some changing, and the nice situation when they started real raging. Well, she lost her way, lost her arm, the nice to watch when they watched the farm. Oh, Glendora, what did they do to you? Well, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, oh, Glendora, what did they do to you?